Hey, my name's Maurice, and this is a quick video on creating activities. So there's a few ways to copy and create activities. The simplest is to come up to the main menu, click Create, and then go to the Activity Builder. You can also come to the Created tab on your account page, and as you're navigating the site, when you're on some categories like bingo, because you can create a bingo, there will be an activity pinned here that you can also create from. Now, before I show you creating one from scratch, I just want to open the latest activity posted and just show you that there is a copy and edit button. And what this is going to do is copy everything about this activity, and it's going to create our own version instantly. Now we have our own copy, and this is actually a private copy that's just for us. We can do whatever we like to this. We could add our own instructions. If we wanted to remember something or do something, maybe this activity is only going to be run in a month. So this will just, we can plan it out now for ourselves. We could come and edit some of these options. Maybe we didn't like one, or maybe we wanted to add our own or change the photos. We can do that as well. Maybe we wanted to turn the images off and we actually wanted to play this one as a hangman. We could do that as well. Lots and lots of cool things you can do, because any activity you can sort of convert and mold it to whatever situation you want it for. But now let's actually create one from scratch. So let's just go demo activity, hit enter, and there we go. We have a brand new activity. This is just for us once again, but there's nothing added to this content. So we could add, once again, our own instructions. We can add a game. Let's create a quick quiz. So let's call this demo activity quiz. And let's go, what color is the sky? What color is grass? Okay, we can go blue and green. Now let's turn on images, and we could upload our own images or drag them into this box here, or we can just search. And that gives us this cool modal that pops up from Unsplash. So we could go blue sky, and now we can select an image of a sky like that one that we like. And we could go here, maybe let's search and then add green grass to be a bit more specific, and let's get that one there. So you can see how fast you can put together any sort of game, and you can change any game into any other game type. Different things will happen. So if you make it a trivia, it'll hide the answers, because a trivia is just information, but you sort of get the idea. If we create a word search, it'll only show the answers, hide the images, and hide the question, because a word search is based basically around all the answers. So the game types follow a kind of logical system where different fields will show and hide based on what they are. But if you imagine, all of these are essentially some combination of question, answer, and image. And then you can upload your own attachments. So you might have a file you want for this activity, or you might want to have an image that you want to save for later. You can also give it a cover image, same sort of deal. So we could just select an image of whatever we like and put a lion here and make this image very, very cool. One thing I wanted to quickly show you is, let's find a new activity that's been posted with attachments, just to show you once again how this works. So we're going to copy and edit this. And this is going to make our own private copy of this activity again. But this time it's copied all the information. So maybe we want to add our own instructions here, or we don't need all of this. Maybe we only, we can delete this and we actually just want this part, that could be the case. Or maybe we want to add a game to it. Or maybe we want to download these attachments, edit them, and re-upload them for ourselves. So there is a lot of options here. And yeah, we hope you enjoy. If you have any questions or you run into any issues, as always, please use the little question mark here, and we read all of those. Thank you very much.